from Simple Wood Turning Tools. I wanted to answer a couple questions regarding the simple hollowing system. First, we get asked about what lathes this will fit. Here I'm setting it up on our Jet 1642, which has a split bed. This will fit many lathes, as most have this split bed style. We have a couple other videos where we show mounting this system on a smaller lathe and on a Nova Galaxy. See the links below in the description to those videos. This system allows us to use full-size tools to hollow up to 9 inches deep or mid-size tools to hollow up to 6.5 inches deep. Additionally, here's a couple customer photos showing this on his Jet 1014 lathe. And he also shows it with the extended base plate option to give you more room to reach the outside of your project. Second, let's look at mid-size tools in the hollowing system. To achieve the even wall thickness that I'm looking for, I need to use the simple hollowing system. Doing it by hand is probably not going to yield great results for me, so I'm going to use the hollowing system on this goblet. Normally, I would use half-inch tools that fit really great in here without the need for a bushing or anything. But I feel that the simple rougher, the full-size tool in this case, is just too big. So I'm going to use the mid-size tool. And in order for it to fit in here, we're going to use this bushing to reduce the size of the hole from 1/2 inch to 3/8 so that this tool will fit in here. So we put in our bushing, lining up the holes with the set screws in the tool holder, insert our mid-size rougher, and set it on the tool rest. We make sure that it's flat on the tool rest and there's a little bit of friction as we slide it back and forth. Then we tighten down the 2 set screws. Now we'll use the laser to help achieve the even wall thickness. We'll loosen the knob to adjust the laser. However, the first step is to plug it in. That helps a lot. Now I'm getting the laser light. So we'll slide this back a little and adjust it. You can see the dot here on the corner of this carbide tip. So I'm going to put my hand underneath and adjust it away from the cutter a little ways and then tighten down the knob. We can see after tightening that it has stayed and we should be good to go. My mid-size rougher is set to go. I've got some friction here as I run it over the tool rest, and I've got my laser set so you can see the dot on the tool rest. Now my light will show on my piece as I turn. After roughing, I've switched tools to the mid-size simple shear cutting finisher to do my shaping. The arm of the hollowing system is fully articulating, so it's allowing me to move this tool all around as I desire. And I can see the laser dot on my project, so I know where my tool is. Once it begins to fall off the side, I know my wall thickness is where I set the laser to.